Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fidiana binti Abdul Rahim. My ID number is 571021201110. We are from group 5. So today we are showing you guys two questions about method of calculation, which is topic application of differentiation.
My name is Nur Kisina Maisara binti Ruslan and my ID number is 57102120167.
So hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shafa Fariha. My ID number is 570121201143. So my part will be read and highlight the information from the problem. So let's get started.
Hi, my name is Novarisha Heleni binti Muhammad and my ID is 571021200008. My part will be how to solve problem 2. Let's go through.
The radius of a circular block of ink is increasing at the rate of 1/6 mms power of -1. Find the rate of increase of its area when its radius is 12 mm. So from this question, they ask us to find the radius.
How to solve problem 1? For the first step, we find object as a variable. A means power rule equal 1/6 millimeters second the power of -1 and the R equal 20 millimeters. For the second step, determine equation A equal scalar root R squared. For the third step, derive the equation both sides with respect to t. D over dt A equal D over dt in parentheses scalar rule R squared. So the next d over dt is power of 1 minus 1 and we get the 0 equal scalar rule times 2 times R dr over dt. And the answer is dA over dt equal scalar rule to R dr over dt. For the last step, substitute the value given and solve. dA over dt equal scalar root times 2 in parentheses 20 millimeters times in parentheses 1/6 millimeters second the power of -1. So dA over dt equal scalar root times 24 millimeters times 1/6 millimeters second power of -1. The answer is dA over dt equal 4 millimeters power of 1 plus 1 second power of -1. So the final answer is dA over dt equal 4 scalar rule millimeter squared second the power of -1. So that's all for calculation the problem 1. Thank you.
Problem 2. A cube of ice is melting, losing 30 cm power of 3 of its volume per minute. When the side length of the cube is 20 cm, how fast is the side length decreasing?
Problem 2. How to solve problem 2? Step 1. To find object and assign a variable. First, we know what we highlight from Shafa highlight from the question. A cube of ice is melting, so we need to draw a cube. Cube is 3D, right? So we need to multiply with length, width and height. From the highlight information, there is a losing 30 cm to the power of 3. Yeah. We have to know for the volume of the ice. Yeah. The volume of the ice is negative 13 cm to the power of 3 minute to the power of negative 1. For the x is 20 cm. I got it x from the question. There is a side length of the cube is 20 cm. I got it. The volume is volume per minute. If we want to minute multiply with volume, there is we need to the power of negative 1. Bring the up, there's to the power of negative 1. There's we got it from the volume. So for the step 2 is determine equation. As we know, volume provide with formula, which is length multiply with weight multiply with height. Okay, we assume there is x multiply with x multiply with x. So volume provide x to the power of 3. Step 3. Different the equation both sides with respect to t. We write back, but we provide d per dt for the in front, and we write back from the step 2, which is v equal to x to the power of 3, but we provide d per dt. As we know, v is from power rule. For the x to the power of 3 is scalar rule. Okay, for the d per dt, v to the power of 1 minus 1, there is a 0, equal to x to the power of 3. 3 bring the in front, and 3 minus 2, which is 2. There's answer 3x to the power of 2 dx per dt. So we provide the answer is dv per dt 3x to the power of 2 dx per dt. So for the step 4 is sub the value given and solve. We write back dv per dt equal 3x to the power of 2 dx per dt. Okay, as you know, dv per dt is from volume of the ice. We just write dv per dt, which is negative 30 cm to the power of 3 minute to the power of negative 1 equal with 3x to the power of 2. There's x we provide from step 1. We multiply with 3. There's a power of 2 dx per dt. Yeah, for the we need to find dx per dt. So we multiply for the bracket. So we write back the negative 13 cm to the power of 3 minute to the power of negative 1 equal to the power of 2 multiply with 20 cm. As you know, to the power of 2 there's need to multiply with 20 and cm too. So there's we provide in bracket is 16 cm to the power of 2 dx per dt. So 3 multiply with 16 cm to the power of 2. So we write back negative 13 cm to the power of 3 mean to the power of negative 1, and 3 multiply with 16, there is 1200 cm to the power of 2 dx per dt. We want 1200 bring the down, so we write back negative 13 cm to the power of 3 minute to the power of negative 1 equal dx per dt. We divide with 1200 cm to the power of 2. So we can as you know, cm can compile, so we can cm to the power of 3 minus 2 because there's the same. So we minus, oh sorry, my bad, I forgot to provide the right answer, my bad, sorry. So the negative 30 divide with 1200, we get minus 0.025. Yeah, so the answer is negative 0.025 cm to the power of 3 minus 2. There we got 1 to the power of 1, right? So cm minute to the power of negative 1 dx per dt. There's the answer for problem 2. Yeah.